This may not be the opinion of many, but for me, this pair is just as good as the OG pairs. Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be looking at the latest sneaker in my collection. That sneaker is the Fragment Nike Sacai LD Waffle in the wolf grey colorway. This is a three-way collab between Fragment Design, Nike and Sacai. Yes, we are now living in times where there are more than two brands on a collab. Nike, I'm sure you are already aware of, but Sacai is a Japanese brand founded by Chitosu Abe in 1999. Forgive me for my pronunciation. It's a name which has grown ever since the original release of the Nike Sacai LD Waffles back in 2019. Fast forward 2 years and the LD Waffle is back. This time with a new edition being Fragment Design, founded by Hiroshi Fujiwara. This wolf grey colorway is one of two colorways from the Fragment pack. The second colorway is Blue Void, which consists of navy blue and white. This LD Waffle is a combination of the Nike Waffle and the LDV. The LD Waffle was first debuted back in 2019 by Sacai when they released the Daybreaker colorway. Throughout the shoe, there are many areas of overlayering, such as the heel, the lacing system, and also the toe box, as well as the iconic Nike swoosh. This wolf grey pair takes it back to the 2019 pairs, which also used this same breathable mesh base. However, with this wolf grey pair, there is a second layer underneath the mesh base, which doesn't allow you to see your feet as much as the 2019 pair. This pair comes in this clean blend of grey and white, sort of matching the vibes from the Summit White pair from 2019. With it being a collab with Fragment Design, you can find the iconic Fragment logo on the double layered tongue, and then some text on both sides of the midsole. On the lateral side it says the classic Fragment Sacai, and on the medial side it says LD Waffle FA21, which I assume means Fall Autumn 2021 season, M&S Run, meaning men's running, and then 233 Sacai Fragment. With this being my first ever Sacai LD Waffle, I didn't know how the sizing would fit, so I just went true to size. I'm a regular size UK 13, so I purchased a UK 13 in this size. I can confirm that these are really comfortable. When I first put them on, I was shocked at how comfortable they actually are. The mesh base allows a nice amount of movement throughout the shoe and reduces any sort of pressure point you may find maybe in the bunion area of the shoe when rocking it. For someone with wide feet like myself, I was slightly worried about the width of the shoe, but there's enough room as well as room in the toe area for you to feel comfortable when wearing this particular shoe. So based off my experience, I would recommend going true to size. I actually got my pair from Offspring, so shout out to them. The retail price for these was £155. Retail prices are currently fetching for anywhere between £250 to £350, and I don't see those prices slowing down. A clean colorway with a sprinkle of hype from Fragment Design could see this wolf grey pair particularly fetch for anywhere between £400 and £450 come next year. So if you are considering going for this pair, I would say cop while you can before the prices become ridiculously high. Overall, I'm very pleased with this pickup. For someone who had never owned a Sacai before, I can now see why these are so popular. The comfortability aspect of the shoe surprised me the most, and I know I'll be wearing these a lot because of that main reason. But let me know your thoughts on the Fragment Design X Nike X Sacai LD Waffle in the wolf grey colorway. Is this the nicest LD Waffle to release? And out of the two colorways, which one do you prefer the most, the wolf grey colorway or the Blue Void? Let me know your thoughts and any questions in the comment section down below. If you like the LD shape and want a cheap alternative, then check out the shoe I mentioned in my cheapest sneaker alternative video there. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed the video. I want to catch me on Instagram at edmundokpala. All support is truly appreciated. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, stay blessed.